Hello, good afternoon everyone. Today I'll be presenting my research proposal titled Leveling Up Motivation Student English Learning Activities through GimKit. This study explores how a game-based digital platform can enhance student motivation in learning English. I chose this topic because students today are very familiar with interactive technology, right? But these tools are still not widely incorporated in English classroom. Yeah. Before I begin, let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Devi Intan Maisaro from Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, English Education Study Program. I'm really excited to share this research idea with you, and I hope the presentation gives a clear picture of why this topic matters and how it can contribute to more engaging English learning activities. Part background. In many English learning environments, students often experience a lack of motivation, right? Lessons tend to be repetitive and rely heavily on traditional approach. At the same time, digital learning platforms are becoming more accessible, yet they remain underused. GimKit offers a game-based learning experience that can make activities more dynamic and engaging. This contrast between classroom practice and available technology forms the background of my research. This study aims to address three main questions. First, how students perceive the use of GimKit. Second, whether the platform influenced their motivation. And third, which features within GimKit are most motivating for them. These questions help shape the direction and focus of my research. Okay, research objective. The objective is to explore student perception of GimKit and assess their level of motivation when using the platform. I also aim to identify the specific features that encourage greater engagement or interest. Through this, I hope to gain a clear understanding of why the platform might or might not be effective. Okay, this study is supported by several key theories. Motivation theory explains what drives students to participate and persist in learning. Game-based learning highlights how game elements can support educational outcomes. And finally, engagement theory provides a basis for understanding why interactive digital tools can promote active participation. Together, these theories shape the foundation of my research. Most previous studies involving GimKit have focused primarily on learning outcomes such as test score or vocabulary gains. Very few have explored student perception, especially regarding motivation. Additionally, research on GimKit in Indonesia is still limited, so there is a clear research gap in understanding how students actually feel about this tool and how it impacts their motivation. This study aims to fill that gap. Research method. This research uses a descriptive quantitative design. The main instrument is a perception questionnaire, which allows me to collect measurable response from students. The descriptive approach is suitable because I'm to capture their attitudes, experience, and motivational response without manipulating any variable. Data collect and variable. Data will be gathered through the questionnaire supported by live observation. The observation helps validate how students interact with GimKit in real learning situations. Documentation such as screenshots or activity logs will be included as supporting evidence. The study has two variables. The independent variable is the use KimKit and the dependent variable is student learning motivation. Each variable is broken down into measurable indicators in the questionnaire to ensure accuracy and consistency. Okay, I expect the result to show that students generally have positive perception of KimKit and feel more motivated when using it. Features like reward, challenge, and interactive tasks are expected to contribute strongly to their motivation. These findings might help teachers consider integrating more digital game-based tools into their lesson. In conclusion, this proposal aims to highlight the potential of KimKit to enhance student motivation in English learning. By focusing on student perception, the study will provide insight into how effective and relevant digital platforms can be in today's classroom. I hope this research contributes to the development of more engaging and technology-integrated learning activities. Thank you very much for your attention and participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.